The overzealous supporters of President Emmerson Mnangagwa have abruptly dropped the campaign to extend his presidency beyond 2028 following threats of military intervention. Sanapinda mashoko atiri kunoti aiwa nhau iya yeslogan yamuziva aiwa iri kutsviridza yochizoiswa on a hold. Don't subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mzima yamuniko mchinzi. All provinces had initially endorsed the call for Mnangagwa to continue in power past his 2-term limit, aiming to block VP Yaunza from assuming leadership. However, after top military officials strongly opposed the move last week, Mnangagwa's supporters swiftly backed down. ZANU-PF's National Political Committee Mnyarazi Machacha confirmed the withdrawal of Mnangagwa's 2030 campaign. The goal of extending Mnangagwa's rule has sparked intense debate, with political analysts warning that it undermines the constitution and set a dangerous precedent. Last week, ZANU-PF insiders were reportedly advocating for constitutional changes to allow Mnangagwa to remain in office beyond 2028 deadline. Domashwa nobuda panapa atiri kuona kuti aiwa it is a development yatiri kuona kuti vakomana the ruling party aiwa veZANU-PF vakomana the youth league panapa tiri kuona kuti their slogan yamboiswa pasaidi noda kwekuti aiwa military iri kunzi yapindira, the junta iri kunzi yapindira ichiti aiwa regerai vakomana zvamunoda kuita izvi. Zvatiri kuona kuti aiwa nhau yesuccession iyi aiwa ichatoita ropa mukati zvakatarasana necongress. Yamuri kuziva kuti pacongress ndo panenge pachanyatsozivikanwa the direction kuti succession ichabva kupi ichienda kupi. Tudze mafungiro enyu pine comment section medu. Musano subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.